Hi lovelies, so I'm hopping in because I'm quite excited. I just got something delivered and this hopefully is going to take my classes to the next level, tech-wise, that is, because I have been doing my Zoom classes for I'm into week 102, and I've been using, well, I started off using just my phone. I don't even know how I did that, like how tiny that was, minuscule everybody was. Now I use my iPad, but it's always in this way rather than this way, because as a dancer you want to be able to see the whole body, and my room just isn't big enough to move it far enough away, and then when I do, you get all this clutter at the edge of the room, which is, it would involve an awful lot of tidying up, let's put it that way. So I have invested in this, so I'm going to open it. I'm going to try really hard to open it without injuring myself. So this is really difficult to open. Why won't that open? Maybe I need to do this bit. Bear with me, this could take some time. Ooh, ooh. I can press that one. Ooh, it's not right. See, this is the thing. If I can't actually even get into the box, how am I going to work out how to use it? Let me in. Okay. Ooh, so it's Logitech. It's a Logitech Brio, which watched an awful lot of YouTube tutorials, watched an awful lot of, I don't even know how to get it out of the box. How do you get it out? I don't want to break it. Yes, it had a lot of really good reviews. It's all wrapped up. I'm not going to take the wrapping off just yet. It feels quite sturdy. It's got, I would explain it in a tech way, but I don't know what else is in the box. Something else. Instructions, hopefully. So cable. Ooh. Cable. Always need cable. I don't know about you. I'm sitting here now looking at a pile of cables. And over there, more cables. Why? Why? Oh, there's so many cables. Little pouch. A clip thing. That's probably very important, so we'll put that all back in the box. So yes, that was rather exciting, but there's more. There's more. This apparently is very important, my husband said. Although it's quite entertaining because this is the Rode TRS to TRRS patch cable. And what I did actually also order was a Rode mic so that my voice could be a little bit clearer when I'm at the back of the room and I'm playing my music. And I ordered it and paid for it and was all excited, and it should all have come today with this. And then I got an email saying that they'd accidentally priced it wrong and that they were cancelling the whole order. And my husband was like, yeah, it was half the price, but they should have just let me have it because they were giving me money back. So this is very exciting. My husband made me get this. He said, I need it. I think he thinks he needs it. It's, I don't even know how to say that. XENYX. I don't know. It's a premium 8 input 2-bus mixer with XENYX mic preamps and compressors. Let's open it. It can't be as difficult. Oh look, this looks like it's easy to open. Right, so. Oh, not coming out. I'm not very good at this. When you see people unboxing on YouTube, they make it look really easy. Oh, that's super heavy, whatever that is. It's like Christmas. Oh. It's wires and a battery thing. I'm not getting that out. So the thing is, once that's out, it's going to take 60% more space up than it did when it was in that box. I mean, oh no, that's important. Let's not throw that away. Another wire. I want to see. See, this worries me that this is the instruction manual. It says, we hear you. hopefully you'll be able to hear me when I've worked this out. And a big box with all like, ooh. Okay. So, more of these. I'm going to be recycling later. And, oh, now this does look. So, plug it in. Why? This is so difficult. Okay. Oh, I'm still not in. Only now I'm not in and it's sticky as well. Let's go. So this room takes me back to the days when I used to run a radio show, and I used to have something very similar to this. But every week I did a weekly show for years, and every week, I kid you not, I would come in and I'd be like, how do I do it? How do I do it? Literally in the space of a week, I would totally forget what things to turn. So this is it, slightly frowning me. But, I mean, this red button feels quite satisfying. I feel like I shouldn't twiddle with anything too much because it's probably set. But I will wait till my tech team come home, aka my husband and son, and we will set it all up and I will report back to you. So this is my unboxing of the thing that I can't pronounce and the Logitech Brio webcam.